Cleanster App Review. Book cleaning services fast. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review right here for Cleanster. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to use the services right here from Cleanster. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So according to Trustpilot over here are some Cleanster reviews. So we have one right here from Joseph Peter. So Cleanster Pro is absolutely a revolution. Customer service is top notch. They are there for you every step of the way. They understand human nature fusing with economics. Truly a partner towards life. We have another one right here from Iroha. My experience as a cleaner. So my experience with Cleanster has been an awesome one. My relationship with the back-end staff has also been great. The system provides me with a great opportunity of meeting clients of different class and background. I have not had an issue getting paid for jobs done. So in summary, it's been a great pleasure working with Cleanster. I will gladly recommend it for everyone who wants a perfect cleaning and or cleaners. Lastly, we have one right here from Chastity. I highly recommend Cleansters for moms that have to put their kids on and off the bus. This would fit perfectly in your schedule. If you're trying to make some extra money, I have done over 66 jobs with Cleanster and I've had no issues with my payment or anything else as long as you submit your before and after photos and doing your job like you're supposed to, there's no issues. I enjoy working with them. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for the Cleanster reviews. So here is the Cleanster website. So in here, you can either book a cleaning service right here, or you can also become a cleaner. So yeah, so feel free to choose on which kind of service you want to use. So the services provided include short-term rental cleaning, common area cleaning, apartment cleaning, deep cleaning, make-ready cleaning, house cleaning, move-out cleaning, and office cleaning. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the review. So again, there will be a special link in the description below if you want to gain special discounts or special promos if you're going to use the services right here from Cleanster. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.